Psychology is the science of human behavior. So we apply research principles to the kinds of things that might happen in everyday life.
The psychology department is a lot of fun. There's a lot of varieties and different areas of psychology that you can take classes in.
Students develop skills in writing, composition, thinking about theory and application of psychology. As they progress into the more advanced courses, they develop skills in conducting research studies, implementing those studies.
One of the things that we have in our human services track is an opportunity for students to take a graduate school-like class in beginning interviewing.
This is a great opportunity for students in this class to actually practice their psychotherapy skills.
Outside of the classroom, our students often get involved in research, and they also take part of our internship program.
Independent research definitely prepares a person for graduate school specifically, but also for professional life in general.
We have an internship program where they're placed with various kinds of agencies. It's not just shadowing someone for 2 days, it's really learning how you might be involved.
I love the classes and the faculty, especially the faculty. I feel very supported, and the faculty are very approachable to me.
We sit down and we talk to you about life, and we talk to you about academics, and we talk to you about your career. We really do a lot of individual work with people.
And then the classes are interesting, and they're taught in a way that is very easy to access.
Students who leave our psychology major have strong skills in not only the research side of psychology, but also the application side of psychology.
Many of our students go on to graduate school. We prepare them really well. But lots of our students take jobs with BAs. We really offer a very well-rounded program.
The psychology department at UW-Stevens Point has countless opportunities for students to learn more about psychology, from coursework to independent research to research with faculty.
I love this school. I couldn't picture myself anywhere else doing my undergrad.